Apparo University is a video learning management system fully integrated into Cognos Analytics. Based on the Cognos permissions of each user, it displays exactly the courses that are relevant for the respective user. The starting point is an overview course. This course is based on IBM videos and is structured according to the main components of Cognos Analytics: dashboards, reporting, data modules, mobile, AI features, and additional special functions. All videos are clearly structured and can be accessed in small learning units. For example, to answer specific questions such as how to create a simple dashboard or how to use certain functions in Cognos. In addition, Apparo University offers in-depth courses. These courses go into a high level of detail and show, for example, how to create dashboards professionally, how to build complex reports in detail, how to use the AI components and Cognos Mobile, how multidimensional reporting works, and how data modules are created and used. As a special course, we would like to highlight the migration course from IBM Cognos Analysis Studio to Cognos Analytics 12.1. This course is designed for all users who have previously worked with Analysis Studio and now want to analyze cubes in Cognos Analytics 12.1. It first covers the fundamentals of dimensional reporting. It then addresses topics such as crosstabs, filters, calculations, formatting, and other core functions. These contents are also divided into individual short lessons. The topics covered include, for example, asymmetrically nested rows and columns, drill functions, the analysis of measures and dimensions, and the differences between previous Analysis Studio workflows and today's capabilities in Cognos Analytics. The course also discusses details such as how different sources, including TM1 models and Power Cubes, differ from one another. The first Apparo University course, Introduction and Overview, is available free of charge. It can be downloaded and installed on the customer's own Cognos system. One of the key benefits we would like to emphasize is that the video learning management system is an ideal tool for learning Cognos functions at your own pace. It gives users access to the capabilities of Cognos Analytics and helps them make full use of the platform's potential. Each user can learn at their own speed, whenever and wherever they want. At the same time, Apparo University is a valuable reference tool for functions that are not used very frequently. Anyone interested in Apparo University can register for the free version directly on our website, apparo.university, and is welcome to contact us with an inquiry about the additional courses.